future expectations about prices, which means there is a future expectation that there is a price change for the specific commodity. It can either increase or decrease, which affects the supply, and supply does not follow law of supply. I'll explain this, that whenever there is an expectation, or I would say speculation or guessing, that in near future there will be price changes, then the behavior of supplier or seller does not follow law of supply. Law of supply says with increase in prices, the quantity of supply should increase. There should be a positive relation. But let's say there is an expectation that in the next week the price is gonna go increase by 20%. So what a seller, a producer will do, he'll withhold the stock. He knew that in the next week he will get just 20% more, so he'll try to hold the stock. Even if today's rates are increasing, he'll hold the stock. Reason being, he's expecting that in the next week he'll get a good margin. So even today's rate of increase does not allow the supply of commodity to increase. In fact, it goes down, because the supplier, the seller, the producer tend to hold the stock in the future expectation of higher margins. So what do you understand? Yes, if there is a future expectation that the prices of commodity will increase in near future, naturally it will hold today's stock. So the supply in the market will get reduced, even the market price are increasing slightly. So with increase in the prices, the supply is still not increasing. In fact, it's reducing to an extent, which does not follow law of supply. Another extreme case, you can also think that the next week the prices of commodity gonna fall by 30%. So if I'm aware, there is a speculation, there is expectation, there is a guessing that next week the prices are gonna go down by 30%, what I'll do, I'll try to sell it even at 10% loss. So I'll reduce the price but yet increase the quantity of supply in order to avoid my further losses. So a producer, a seller, a manufacturer, what does he do? He tend to follow the speculations. If there is a speculation that price is gonna increase, he'll reduce the supply and does not follow the law of supply accordingly. If there is a speculation, expectations that in the near future the prices are gonna go down, he'll try to sell it more or supply it more quantity even at lesser prices. So this situation also does not follow law of supply.